How to get voice changer on Meta Quest 2, Quest 3, Quest 3S without or with no PC. So you're gonna have to put in mind when you're doing a mobile device voice changing, and you won't be able to do this with an in-game app. You're gonna be needed with a external device since doing an app you're gonna have to record a voice and then edit that voice to turn it into a voice changed voice. But if you want a live voice change, then you're gonna need to use a voice key. And in our case, we're gonna use uh, voice mod key, which is this little thing over here. Now, once you have this, you're gonna need a few other things to start with the setup, which is, of course, the voice mod key over here, and then a few wires to connect the voice mod key to your Oculus. So for the wires, you're gonna need a audio jack to type C. This way you can connect a wire to the voice mod key to the external wire over here to the Oculus. Now there is a male audio plug to type C, which should just connect the voice mod key directly to the Oculus, but let's just say you have this for now. So we're just gonna draw a little arrow on where it goes to make it a bit easier. So one end goes here on the right, and then another end goes here. Sorry if it's a little messy. And then this end will go to the Oculus. Now it looks a little weird right now, but it should be a simple idea. And then the top part of this voice key will go to your mobile device. So something like this, like there. And then here on the left, that's pretty much just headphones. You can add some if you want, but that way you will be able to actually input your voice. So it's actually pretty important. It's basically the microphone for your voice mod key. But once you do that, you should pretty much have a voice changer. But as long as you have the voice mod app as well. So just go ahead and download the app first, and then you'll be able to use it. But that's pretty much how you can use or get a voice changer. One way you can get a voice changer on your Meta Quest. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.